Hello, welcome to the SolidWorks video tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to see linear sketch pattern option in SolidWorks. Here I have made a small rectangle and I want to pattern this rectangle in this horizontal X direction and vertical Y direction in downward or vertical direction. Now if I want to pattern this rectangle, we can use linear sketch pattern. Suppose I select linear sketch pattern option. Inside this pattern option we have two directions, direction 1 and direction 2, and there is one other option, that is entities to pattern and instances to skip. We will see all these four options one by one. First of all, the first step to create a linear sketch pattern is we have to select the entities to pattern. Okay, so just click on this column and just select all the lines of this rectangle, because we want to pattern this rectangle. By default the direction 1 is selected. Now go to the direction 1. Inside direction 1 it is showing that its direction is x-axis, means, and this the second row, that is basically the distance between two spacings. Okay, now if you increase this distance, here this option is number of instances. Basically we can increase the number of instances. Okay, so in this way we can create a linear pattern in positive x direction. Okay, I have selected number of instances that is equal to the suppose that it is equal to 6. Also we can specify the angle between along x direction. If we increase this angle, okay, the pattern is going to this angle, patterns are going to get shifted. Now here there is a fix with x direction. Okay, this option is also over here. Now we will keep this angle equal to the 0 degree. Okay, now here number of instances equal to 6 and the gap between these two patterns equal to 200 mm suppose. And if you want to provide dimensions automatically, then we can select this option. Now the direction 2 is y-axis. Okay, now one more option is left over here. If you want it to pattern in this direction, that is negative x direction, just simply click on this reverse direction. Okay, so see, you can see the preview. Inside a preview it is getting pattern in this direction. Okay, now I will again reverse, so it will get pattern in positive x direction. Now again direction 2 is positive y-axis. Okay, here we have to increase number of instances. Suppose again that is equals to 5, and then the distance between two instances. Okay, as inside the preview you can see direction 1 with spacing 200 mm and direction 2 with spacing 200 mm and instances 5 and 6. Suppose again this is also equal to 6 in this direction positive x, 6 in positive y. Okay, negative y, because we have reversed it in for the direction 2. We can also add automatic dimension using this option, dimension y spacing. Again this by default angle is 270 degree, because negative y axis is inclined at an angle of 270 degree and positive y axis is inclined at angle of 90 degree. Okay, if I reverse this, you can see over here the pattern is created in positive y direction. This is arrow indicates the direction. Basically this is positive x axis, this is positive y axis, so positive y axis inclined at 90 degree. And if I again reverse it, you can see over here this is positive x, but this is negative y, that is 270 degree. Also we can change this angle. You can see inside a preview in better way. Okay, so as you increase the angle it goes on changing. We'll keep it equal to 270 only for understanding purpose. Now these are the very simple options. Okay, so by using direction and direction 1 and direction 2, we can create a pattern of this rectangular geometry or any geometry. Basically, it is not necessary that it should be rectangular. We just have to select the pattern, entities to pattern, and then select a direction. If you can choose either one direction or either both direction. Okay, then there is another option, that is entities to skip. So what do you mean by this option? If I don't want all these entities to get pattern, if I don't want, suppose this is the pattern preview. Okay, it is showing us pattern preview. Suppose I don't want this entity to get pattern, that is, this is basically creating a matrix like structure. So it is 4 by 3, means fourth column and third row. Okay, that element. So fourth column is this and third row. So this element basically. So this element, if I select this, okay, it will get deselected. Again this I select this. So those will not appear in final pattern structure. Okay, that is very important. I click OK. As you can see, pattern is created. These elements which were skipped didn't appear in the final pattern structure. So in this way we have learned to use linear sketch pattern and along the two direction, that is direction 1 and direction 2. Because this pattern is created in 2D, we have only two directions possible, that is direction 1, that is positive x-axis or negative x-axis. Again direction 2 will be positive y or negative y. Okay, it doesn't have third coordinate system, that is like z coordinates or something like that. Okay, so sketch pattern is only possible in two direction. That's all. In our next video tutorial we are going to see circular sketch pattern option in SolidWorks.